Today, I'm showing you how to appeal and remove a community guidelines violation on TikTok on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open TikTok app. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. You'll be taken to the TikTok homepage. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Open Menu. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Step 4. Access Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings and Privacy from the menu. Step 5. Report a problem. Scroll down to the Support and About section and tap Help Center. Step 6. Contact Support. Scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Chat with Us or Need More Help. Step 7. Describe your issue. In the text bar, type your message explaining your community guidelines violation. For example, I received a community guidelines violation on my account. I believe this was a mistake. Please review my account and remove the violation. Explain why you think it was unfair. Step 8. Send request. Tap the Send button to submit your appeal to TikTok support. Step 9. Wait for response. TikTok support typically responds within 24 to 48 hours. Check your notifications and email for their response. And that's it. You've submitted an appeal to remove a community guidelines violation on TikTok. Wait for TikTok support to review your case.